Hmm. Hello everyone, my name is Anand Poddar. So today I am going to discuss about unit number 3, software architecture and planning a software project, lecture number 28. So the contents that we are going to discuss here is project monitoring plan and measurements. So in last video we have discussed about the project monitoring. Okay, the project management is a document that guides the execution of the project. So project management, we can define it as a document. So these documents helps how to guide the execution of the project, that is how to manage the execution of the project. So even if the project plan is very good, it is important to execute it properly. Okay, now the execution of the plan must be periodically monitored in order to keep track on performance. Now even if the project plan, suppose if it is kept ready, it is not that we don't have to look further. We have to look further periodically and weekly wise. So weekly wise you have to see the project plan whether it is going according to the correct standards. So we have to periodically monitor so that the execution of the plan, project plan, will be executed properly. So monitoring requires the measurement. So during the execution of the project, it is necessary to check what is to be measured and when it is to be measured and how it is to be measured. Now let us see what is this measurements. So the purpose of measurement is to monitor and control the project. So as I told, in project monitoring, measurement is also important. So the goal is to monitor and control the project. So for monitoring a project, measurement of schedule, size, effort and defects are required. So monitoring the schedule will assess if the project is on time or there will be some delay in its production. Okay, so monitoring a project measurement of, so measurement involves the calculating the schedule, size, effort and what are the defects that are required. So these are the measurement for monitoring the project. Monitoring the schedule will assess if the project is on time or there will be some delay in its completion. Okay, monitoring the efforts is the key activity in project monitoring. So we have to also monitor what are the efforts taken in each activity in project monitoring. So while measuring the effort, it is essential to measure the number of people who are working on that project. Okay, so the measurement taken based on effort is who all are the people involved and how many people are involved on who are working on that project, and also how much amount of time they have spent on that project. So this is how we measure the effort taken by the people. So this is one of the measurement we take while monitoring the project, that is the schedule, size, effort and defects. In this video we have discussed about project monitoring plan and measurements. Thank you.